This is the power control and GPS unit that I have designed during the last year. Here it's hooked up to the emulator at the top. The emulator is $69 from Scilabs, and I will provide the code if you want to change this to the system yourself. You see the box there and the board. The board has got a GPS module on the bottom there from Trimble. You can also see the gyro there for the dead reckoning part of it. I'll turn the camera off now and reassemble the module. So this is what it looks like put together. USB cable there and the installation wiring going in there, and the GPS antenna cable. The reason why I did this was that I want my car computer system to look as little aftermarket as possible. I want my installation to look like the car was manufactured with it. For the GPS, I wanted to use the GPS antenna that was already in the fin on the roof, and I wanted the GPS to have dead reckoning, as I believe all OEM systems got. If you do not have such an antenna, or if you prefer to buy something at eBay rather than buying a spare part at your local car dealer, you can get an antenna like this quite cheap on eBay. I believe it was $30 or something like that. For the power control part, I discovered that I had a lot of signals to control and I needed a lot of inputs to do that. I'm talking about the remote inputs on the power amp. That has to be timed right, not to get bumps in the speakers. I wanted the LCD panel to go on when booting is complete and not before then. I wanted to use the rear view camera even if the PC was not running yet. I wanted the PC to be turned on and off automatically when unlocking the car, etc. For power saving reasons, I also needed to enable the USB DC-DC converter in sync with the PC. To reduce wiring to a minimum, I included an iBus interface that is used in my BMW. This particular unit does not have that and is generic, but on the other hand it's got quite a lot of inputs. Inputs like tacho and reverse for the GPS, on and off for the PC, camera on, and unlock from door or solenoid. The timings are configurable parameters that can be set and stored persistently in the module. I will show you how this is done, and the functionality of the module will be clearer at the same time. To do this, I've connected 12 volts to the module and the USB cable. I will now start the PC application.